Adventures at Bryans' house. Episode 2, Plumbing 2, Part 9. Here comes Brian's mom.
What did that smell?
My hand.
No. What did you burn?
My hand.
Your hand shouldn't smell inside the house. Watch the insulation. It's highly flammable. Okay?
Okay, you need to call Neil and tell him that it's not going to work.
Why?
Because when I put it on, the place where you cut it, it splits even more.
Okay, then you're just going to have to fix it the old-fashioned way, or call him yourself. Okay? Can you just try to fix it the other way?
No, I don't have, well, it's not going to work, and I don't have his number.
What?
I don't have Neil's number.
Hold on. Hold on, Brian. Do you have your phone?
No?
Tell him, let me call you back. Okay, bye.
Shouldn't be a problem if you're... Are you putting the plumbing cement on the pipe that you're heating up?
Huh?
Are you putting plumbing...
Hose wider than that?
What?
Is the garden hose wider?
No.
Hey, it's not going to work, he says. He wanted me to call Neil.
Now I can't get the fucking thing off the pipe.
I think he wants to do... You wanted the 1-inch one, right?
Yeah.
He wants the 1-inch one. Okay, cool. I'm logged into work, so if I don't answer, that's why. And so if you guys come up, just be really quiet. Okay, bye. Okay, there's check-in.
Is he coming now?
Well, he's got to see if he can find it first.
Okay.
So why don't you come out from underneath there?
Gotcha.
This is getting interesting. Hey, Brian, before you come out, can you film what you're looking at?
No, I already did that.
But it's not in the episodes. It's just a side view for Neil.
Edit it into the episode, man.
No, I can't. I'm not that smart.
Oh, well, why would you do it here?
No, fool. I'm gonna upload it to YouTube directly from my phone. If I do it, if I put the video on my computer and then upload it that way, since my connection sucks, it takes forever. I have to upload it from my phone, because since that's a better service. So,
Okay, fine.
let's see here. I will come in a little bit then. Here you go. Oh. Good thing I have long arms. Ow. Oh, my back. Oh. Oh, God. Ow. My fat back is hurting. Ow. Rat shit. Okay, film it. It should still be playing.
It is.
Okay. If it gets the 5...
Okay, this is that small ass fucking pipe that I have to... Let's see if I can... Whoa, fuck. Drop the phone. Hold on, YouTube viewers! Okay. Now, here's that small ass pipe. I gotta try to put in. Very small. Compared to this one right here, which is the one I'm trying to put it into. So it's gotta go up into it like that. Like this.
Right, stop at the, right when it gets to 5 minutes.
So, yeah. So I gotta put this pipe, put this little motherfucker, that big motherfucker. And then now I'll pass you back over to Ryan, YouTube viewers.
Okay, what's the time on it?
4:13.
Okay. Oh, fuck.
Don't get too dirty.
Okay. Whoa. Ooh.
And now coming up.
Rat shit. Ah. Oh, fuck. Oh, okay. Okay.